Hello everyone. This is our mini lesson for Friday, March 27th for AP Calculus. Our lesson is about substitution with u. So I'm going to show you how to start substituting with u to solve integrals. Alright, so I want you to follow these steps as you're doing this on your own later in the lesson. So our first step is to make sure that we have it in the substitution form. We know that it has to have u and its derivative in the expression. So we may have to multiply or divide by a constant to get this. So let's take a look at our expression. We have, x squared plus 1 is going to be u, and we know that du dx would be 2x. So we have to multiply this by 2. So I have 2x, x squared plus 1 squared dx. And all of that is, I need to undo the multiplying of 2, so I'm going to multiply by 1/2. All right, second step. We're going to write the u and du dx statements, and we're going to solve for du. This is where it gets a little bit different. So yes, we have done this before. We've written u equals x squared plus 1. The derivative of u with respect to x is 2x. Now we're going to start something new. We're going to solve for du. And I know that to get rid of the dx, I'm going to multiply each side of the equation by dx. So now I get du is equal to 2x dx. All right, step 3. I'm going to substitute my variable u for the term u, and I'm going to substitute the variable du for the differential in dx. All right, allow me to show you what I mean by that. I'm going to take this term. We know that the x squared plus 1 is u. So I'm going to write u instead of that. Okay? I'm just showing you where it is right now. And I also know that 2x dx is 2x dx. Using the commutative property, they don't have to be next to each other to be multiplied, right? So they could be anywhere in here but still be multiplied to one another. So I know that 2x dx is going to be du. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to rewrite my integral using only u and du. So I have 1/2 times the integral of 2x dx becomes du. And my u is the x squared plus 1. And what I also know is that u is taken to the second power, because we are taking that outside function now and we're putting u inside of it. So it's going to be u squared times du. So once again, I'm substituting instead of 2x dx, I'm using du, which I came up with over here. Instead of u, which is x squared plus 1, instead of x squared plus 1, I'm substituting u. And I'm still keeping that outside function, which is to the second power. So this becomes u to the second power. Now I'm going to integrate it just like I always have been. So I know that for integrating u, I'm going to take 2 plus 1 is 3 for the exponent. And I multiply by the reciprocal, 1/3. And I have my 1/2. So it's going to be 1/2 times 1/3 u to the third plus c, because we have an indefinite integral here. All right, and now I just simplify 1/6 u to the third plus c. And I'm just going to, I can't leave it as u, so I'm going to put in x squared plus 1 instead of u. So it's like I'm putting it back in there. And I remember to keep my outside function there. And now I'm finished. I have my answer. All right. So as you're doing these, follow the steps. And I've also given you a link to a website that you can use to check your answers and to check your work. If you have questions, please let me know.